Are these Miniso earbuds that promise instant translation a tech marvel, or just another gimmick preying on our travel dreams? Today, we're diving deep into the Miniso X30 Ows translation earbuds to see if they live up to the hype. We'll unbox them, test the translation, and see if it's worth your money. First, let's see what we get inside the box. We have the earbuds themselves, the charging case, a USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. The design is fairly standard for open-ear wireless earbuds. Now, the crucial part, the translation. You'll need to download the specified app, pair the earbuds via Bluetooth, and grant the app the necessary permissions. Make sure your internet connection is stable for real-time translation. Here's the translation in action. I'm speaking in Spanish, and the app is translating it into English. Let's see how accurate it is. As you can see, the translation isn't perfect. There are some noticeable errors and occasional delays, especially with complex sentences or slang. It's functional for basic conversations, but not reliable for professional or critical situations. Another point to consider is the open-ear design. While comfortable, it lets in a lot of ambient noise. This can make it difficult to hear the translation clearly, especially in crowded or noisy environments. Considering the price point compared to dedicated translation devices or professional translation services, these earbuds offer a budget-friendly entry into real-time translation. So, are the Miniso X30 Ows translation earbuds a scam? Not entirely. They offer a basic, affordable translation feature. But, be aware of the limitations. They're best suited for casual use and simple conversations. Don't expect professional-grade accuracy.